To build a search engine like Google, the first step is to lay the foundation with proper concept and planning. Explore various premium options like templates, tools, and platforms to determine the best approach for emulating Google's success. Define the purpose of your search engine. Decide whether it will be a general search engine or if it will target a specific niche or industry. Carefully plan the features you want to include, such as search suggestions, voice search, image search, and personalized results. Understand your audience's needs and preferences to customize your website accordingly and identify unique selling points. Building a website like Google involves various aspects of back-end development. Develop algorithms for web crawling, indexing, and ranking. Web crawling involves fetching web pages and extracting relevant information. Indexing organizes and stores these pages in a structured way, allowing quick retrieval of search results. Ranking algorithms analyze relevancy, quality, and popularity to determine search result rankings. Establish a solid infrastructure by choosing a reliable hosting provider, setting up a robust database, and implementing caching mechanisms. Incorporate security features such as SSL TLS certificates, a robust firewall, and regular software updates to ensure a safe and secure website. Customization is key to creating a unique and compelling user experience. Utilize drag-and-drop features for easy customization without coding knowledge. Choose pre-made templates and themes that align with your brand identity and ensure they are mobile responsive and optimized for search engines. Take advantage of website builders and content management systems, CMS, like WordPress and Wix, which offer extensive libraries of plugins and integrations. Customize your website's appearance by selecting custom themes, icons, and color schemes. Optimize your website for search engines by exploring SEO tools and advanced settings to improve visibility and attract more traffic. In today's digital world, having a user-friendly website is essential. According to a study by Stanford University, 75% of users judge a company's credibility based on their website design. Google Sites is a user-friendly website builder that allows you to create and customize websites using pre-made templates or starting from scratch. Google Drive integration allows easy collaboration and file storage within your website. The Google Sites editor provides a range of customization options to personalize your website's design. Registering a custom domain adds professionalism and credibility. Opt for a domain name that accurately represents your brand. In the current digital era, mobile devices are the main way people access the internet. Mobile traffic accounts for more than 50% of global web traffic. Therefore, it is crucial to optimize your website for mobile devices. Adopt a responsive design approach, allowing your website to adapt to different screen sizes and resolutions. Simplify your website's navigation for mobile users by using a hamburger menu or easily identifiable icons. Optimize your content for mobile viewing by keeping it concise and ensuring it loads quickly. By following these steps, you can create a website like Google that offers a seamless user experience across all devices.